Today I'm doing my 5 to 9 after my 9 to 5. I already meal prepped earlier. I meal prepped my dinner. So I'm gonna pull that out. That is a burrito bowl. And I made a burrito bowl, and I'm not cooking today because I cooked all day earlier today. Wow, I hope you can't see that. The kids are having pizza and Alfredo tonight because I'm not cooking nothing. It's Monday. So I'm gonna pop my food in the microwave and I'm gonna get their food going because today I started my just eating more healthier, and tomorrow we go back to the gym. We got a gym membership today, so tomorrow we going to start going to the gym, and they have childcare. And it was something else I wanted to tell y'all. I can't think about it right now, but let me get their food together because it's 10 o'clock. It is 5:54. I told them dinner will be ready by 6:30. So yes, that, because school starts in 3 weeks. 3 weeks, and I can't wait. This week we are starting back the school routine. So you in the bed by 8 o'clock. Tablets, phones go off at 7:30. I ain't trying to hear nothing. Do you hear me? Parents, you feel me? Okay, let me. My girl just got out the shower. Is your shirt on right?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Shower time. Your back still wears something. I'm gonna chill. The kids are in the bed. I'm finna chill out for another 10 minutes and I'm gonna go get into bed. It's already 9:51. So yeah. the end of my night. I'll see y'all in the next vlog. Bye.